We had a wonderful date night at camp. We're ready to bike away.
Let's go, RAGBRAI!
RAGBRAI! We're ready to start our first RAGBRAI. Woo! Woo! Good morning!
Right side!
Awesome! Breakfast and Bloody Mary time.
Nice.
We're ready.
Well, huh?
Yeah, they know how to party up in this town.
That's it.
How'd you enjoy your breakfast?
I loved my breakfast. All you can eat pancakes. Come on, $10.
Yeah. Delicious coffee. Lots of partying.
Beautiful Iowa countryside. Just goes to show you, it looks flat, but it's not. Downhill!
Cows! Crank it! Crank it!
Oh shit!
How are you enjoying RAGBRAI?
It's fun.
First meeting town, day one.
Man, I've really been enjoying the RAGBRAI so far.
So much. So much.
How did you like it, Nolan?
Fun.
Yeah.
I'm ready for
Come do
day
RAGBRAI.
one, part two.
Say that again.
I'm ready for day one, part two. After lunch. After lunch.
After lunch. Now it's time for lunch, beers, and plenty of water. RAGBRAI.
Ooh, yes. Awesome. Missouri.
Awesome.
Kansas City.
Awesome. Welcome to Anson.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Enjoy.
If you aren't playing beer pong like this, you're not living. RAGBRAI Meeting Town 2022.
Yeah.
Woo!
Beer pong and trash can.
I know.
Oh, sorry.
We're gonna get pie now?
Yeah. If you're not careful, you'll elbow people when you're dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that did earlier.
Beer garden's over there? Yes!
When I was getting off my bike, once I totally like sidekicked somebody that was walking by.
Is it when you were like shaking off your foot or something?
No, it's when I was getting off my bike and one of the side things, they came riding up next to me and I just went whack right. Yeah, it was good times.
Oh yeah. Are you licking RAGBRAI?
Yes.
He wants ice cream.
What was that?
He wants ice cream.
Ice cream? We need pie, then ice cream.
I think we need food first. You make good wool type stuff. What is there called? Is it the wool?
Llama face. What a jackass.
It's been a long day.
Donkey. Well, that was Anthon. That's our first meeting town. Let's keep RAGBRAIing. Sometimes in life you can just smell a video. Thanks, Iowa. I love it. We've reached the high point of this year's RAGBRAI. Oh yeah. Look at all the bikes. Oh yeah, it does. All right. Find a place to lay these bikes down. I love RAGBRAIing with you.
RAGBRAI with you.
Woo! RAGBRAI! You're not a hardcore RAGBRAIer unless you're rollerblading. Look at this guy. That's awesome. Respect. Nice chance! Thank you!
We are told when we hear that noise, we definitely need to stop for this ice cream. So they got the old ice cream makers. We heard the noise. We're stopping to try the ice cream.
I'm so ready to try this ice cream.
Yeah. Super ready.
Oh, look at all the castles. That's fine. Looks like some of the businesses in town. Some businesses in town have decorated themselves look like castles.
Navy team. I didn't know there was a Navy team.
Well, hello.
End of day one. We are a little roasty. Oh,
Yeah,
look at that.
I know.
I'm definitely a little more roasty than ideal.
The color of my skin just looks better. But under my shirt, you'd be horrified how white it is. Nolan did well. He's right there.
Yep. 58 miles today with going back and forth for dinner and that stuff.
It was fun.
Lots of fun.
There he is. Yeah, so those of you who don't know, in some of our prior videos, we featured Nolan. This is our son, Nolan Roosevelt. He's a big part of Roosevelt's ride, too. So, yeah, that's definitely a family affair. We had a great time on RAGBRAI, and
we look forward to seeing tomorrow. We tried so much stuff today. We tried the old-fashioned ice cream that you saw.
Man, you gotta try that.
We had some really great smoothies.
The pecan pie.
Pecan pie. That was really good, too.
But just the overall experience so far, the people of Iowa have just been so welcoming and amazing.
Well, and everybody else on RAGBRAI.
Everybody on the ride, yeah. They've just, you talk to people and hang out. Then I look back and I'm like, oh, my wife's like a quarter mile back. Like
talking to somebody else,
right.
Probably.
And you're probably talking to somebody else too and just having a grand old time. So,
yep.
Yeah.
Would highly recommend. Yeah. On to day 2, I guess.
On to day 2.
Tomorrow's a 70 something mile.
Well, from all this here.
We are camping. You should talk. We're camping on the football field.
Yeah, we're camping in the football field of the local high school. Look at all this.
Tent City.
Yeah, and this is only one of the camp. This is just the main camp area for RAGBRAI. There is actually so many more because there's like, how many people are on this ride?
Oh, I think we heard anywhere between 20,000 and 25,000.
Yeah.
So there's quite a bit.
That's not week-long riders, but that's just participants and non-riders and everybody else. But we're a moving city.
Basically, we outnumbered our breakfast town this morning. I'm pretty sure they said that there was 500 people in the town.
Yeah, it was bad. But they put on a spread, man. Oh, you can eat pancakes for $10. Like, sold.
100%.
Like, they were great, man. With sausages and everything.
So good.
Oh yeah.
Totally recommend.
Got me through the day. Anyway, but really, you guys ready to head on to day 2?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Let's party.
I'm Eric.
I'm Christina.
I'm Nolan.
Together we are
Roosevelt's Ride.
See you on the trail and RAGBRAI. Take care.
Well, I fell into a burning ring of fire.
RAGBRAI.
Down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns.
The sun.
The ring of fire. The ring of fire.
No, it's the sun.
Burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire.
The sun!
sun. Definitely a little burned.
Right.